What's going on YouTube? I'm Chigs, and as promised, here is the head-to-head comparison video between the AKASO V50 Pro versus the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So the best budget action camera will try to take on the flagship champion. Now the specs are on the screen, so feel free to pause the video now so you can compare the specs. So without further ado, let's begin. What's happening, people? I am in a new location, a beautiful location in Hertfordshire, and it's a beautiful grounds, 35 acres. This is a camera comparison between the GoPro Hero 7 and our favorite budget action camera, the AKASO V50 Pro. So I am shooting 4K at 30 frames per second with image stabilization on, so both cameras support image stabilization. The GoPro Hero 7 does shoot at a higher 60 frames per second, but for this test we have to match the AKASO V50 Pro, so we are shooting 4K 30 frames per second. It's quite a beautiful day today, nice clear skies, not much wind actually. So you can see what the quality looks like right now.
Look at her.
Look how dodgy that looks.
Oh god.
So 4K at 30 frames per second looks great on both cameras. You will notice a more natural colour from the GoPro, and the AKASO makes the grass slightly greener than it is, but nevertheless the actual outdoor video quality is great on both cameras. Now image stabilization is definitely better on the GoPro, but nevertheless AKASO still offers a pretty decent image stabilization. And in this shot you will notice a slightly sharper image and again more realistic colors on the GoPro Hero 7, and this is where I bumped into a few noisy friends. She's got the food. Loud. Now here is a low light shot of me walking up the stairs, and you can see it's clearly visible on the GoPro and nearly blacked out on the AKASO. And when I get to the top of the stairs, the AKASO gets slightly better, but then starts to flicker due to low light. So GoPro definitely handles low light much better than any other action camera I have tested to date. Now onto the photos, AKASO's 20 megapixels versus GoPro's 12 megapixels. Now the photos taken with the AKASO look sharp, detailed, with a good contrast and dynamic range. And all the same photos taken with the GoPro Hero 7 is slightly darker than the AKASO, however still very detailed and definitely more natural looking. But which photos do you like the look of more, the AKASO's or the GoPro's? Do let me know in the description box below. So there you have it guys, that was my comparison video for these two amazing action cameras. So let's break it down. 4K video at 30 frames looked great on both action cameras, with better colors and sharper details on the GoPro. Image stabilization was also excellent on both cameras, but the GoPro was definitely providing better and more smoother results. Now both action cameras have dual microphones built in, and the audio quality was absolutely amazing on both. Photos also looked pretty good on both, but the GoPro gave more realistic results in terms of color, sharpness and detail. Low light shots were also much better on the GoPro. So it comes to no surprise that the GoPro is overall a better action camera. We all knew this even before starting this comparison video, but now you know exactly how it compares to one of my favorite action cameras of last year and this year, the AKASO V50 Pro. Now I would say that the AKASO V50 Pro is definitely bang for your buck. It's the best action camera you can currently buy under $150, and it offers incredible value with lots of accessories included as standard, along with 2 batteries. However, that being said, the GoPro is without any doubt the best action camera money can buy, period. It effortlessly takes near perfect shots every single time. Video and photos look absolutely stunning with the best image stabilization I have ever seen. But at $350, this GoPro will cost you nearly 3 times the price of the V50 Pro. But the question I would like to ask you guys, is the GoPro Hero 7 Black worth 3 times the price? And which one would you buy? Now I hope you find this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.